Hey, yo, 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 chakalam, chakalaboom, boom. Hello, this is the Crypto Shark. Welcome to my channel again. And today I want to show you something insane API, Yield API a year. It's one of the best wallet you ever gonna have. And now that you can open your own Masternode, which is mean you can actually create a Masternode so you're gonna get percentage for every transaction that people do on that platform. And now this platform is really good and trusted because this is like they have their own token. It's a DeFi life organized Essentia. Essentia, it's a crazy. So after the intro, we be back. Oh, welcome back to the channel. So let me show you basically what is all the noise about. Now look at these guys. This one is earn passive income with Essentia with yield farming. So this is crazy. This gonna be a wallet. They really gonna release a wallet really soon, and you'll be able to use that with all the cryptocurrency ERC20, TRC20, BTC, Litecoin, everything is going to be inside here. And right now they have their own token that you can actually farm. And this is undervalued token, which is mean it's probably going to fly a lot of percentage, and it's your opportunity to get really high yield by just stacking it or become be a man like me and open your masternode. Okay, so let me show you. So Essentia is a masternode powered blockchain that enable interoperability and cross-chain transaction. It is an all-in-one platform that manages all things crypto. With Essentia, users can trade, swap, and add liquidity. Interrogate it with a L2 transaction via ZK, Snarks, SDK, and Starkware. Essentia is designed to be a simple, secure, and decentralized. So it's a decentralized wallet. You don't need KYC. You don't need anything here, and it's good. And rumors told me that one day they're gonna even have their own debit card. So stay tuned about that. So basically, you take your ESS, you add the liquidity on Uniswap, ETH, or ESS. Then you stack the LPS token on the Unicrypt. Okay, they have like an app and earn passive income. And the yield is around almost 25%. It's crazy. It's better than any Binance or any other yield you do. So this is how the app looks like. You can see you can go to get Essentia app. Okay, you just press on it, you download it, you connect wallet to it, and you can see master nodes. So this is basically your master node. If you open one, all the transaction gonna come to you and you're gonna get reward. There's two master nodes here. The regular master node gonna a master node is a operator receive 25% of the total block reward. It's crazy. Imagine that you have 1,000 transactions, okay, and you get from all the fees you're gonna get 25% of it. It's just crazy. Now, a masternode are POS consensus node that platform utility function for the Essentia network, such as a storing metadata, processing transaction, and signings blocks. Each node make the network more decentralized, secure, and stable. A masternode operator receive a 25% of total block reward. Now the supernode, it's a little bit bigger. You're gonna get more rewards, but you have to have 300,000 ESS. It's around $3,000 right now, maybe a little bit less. The masternode is only costs $1,000, and you can have your own block. So supernodes are POS consensus nodes. Is a platform same function that a masternode. The main difference between the supernodes and masternodes is the reward. Supernode receives 75% of the total block rewards, but it also needs a bigger collateral to run it, right? So here you can see that generate your reward with Essentia. You can do the stacking, for example, as give you like small calculator. So if you stack, let's say 150 daily, you can get 152 ESS, and who knows, it can go up really good. And now enter the stacking time. So for example, you want to stack for 1 year, you're probably going to get specified time period reward, so you're going to get another extra 55,000. And imagine this coin is going to go to even 1 cent or 10 cents. You're gonna make a huge amount of money. All right, so this is the calculator. Now, if you're gonna go for the Mercury, which is the regular supernode, you have to consider a couple of things before you do that. Enter the amount of Mercury nodes. So you wanna open basically one. Okay, this is gonna give you the daily this because it costs it's 100,000. Now, enter the monthly cost of VPS, virtual PS. So you're gonna get something like $5-10 I think, and they also gonna refund you. So they did a small deal here, so they're gonna give you a refund for the transactions, basically the fees and the server itself, until June 30. Okay, and now look at this. So you can see that if it's for you, it's this is what you get a day, weekly, and yearly. You're gonna get 9,300. Enter the Mercury node running time. So let's say you want to do for 365 days. So you're basically looking at making it another 9,137 gift. All right. The Essentia blockchain is Essentia framework is bootable from anywhere in the world, from just a seed for any consumer needing decentralized storage or a crypto exchange. Organizers require smart contract capabilities of developing wanting to build a blockchain solution. It's the most efficient way to experience and utilize the new internet where cryptography rules and data remain in the control of the user. Okay, so for example, this is the government, this is the Masternode. As you can see, all is still in your control. Okay, you can see that this is the version, protocol version, and you can see how many Mercuries we have, 934, and we have 187 Mars. Okay, so this is ROI annual, so it's 26.4. So it's really good second. So you can do, if you have a cryptocurrency line idle in your wallet, consider depositing into stacking pools, earning passive income for a whole time they remain stacked. So it's a nice wallet that you can actually stack, and it's paying really good. Farming, for example, providing liquidity to our pools will allow you to earn passive income to a high interest rate will be active soon. So they also gonna add farmings in their wallet. Okay, you can see that how the Essentia work. So borrower, so for example, you'll be able to borrow some money, you can stack it DeFi lending platform, and you can start earning. So everybody earned here on that ecosystem. Essentia is your personal toolbox, so you can look at here. And you can see basically cross blockchain transactions. So it's go for different blockchains transactions. So for example, Tron Link, ERC20, and maybe different one. So you see personal wallet, you can have a tool ETC and BTC, college fund Bobby. So you can basically do everything here. They work soon. They're gonna have launch a wallet for an iPhone, an Android, and that's how it would look like, and it's going to be with a touch finger. As you can what is Essentia, manage seed 5 seconds, send, receive, privacy, and simple. Right, as you can see, that's the wallet. Now I'm going to show you how to set up a master wallet, okay, and you'll be able to see how you can start. Okay, so right now I finished to change to this coin. Now we have 100,000 tokens here. Now we're gonna start doing the Masternode. Okay, so the Masternode API is 26.76. Mercury Masternode API is 26.80. Right. So we're gonna do deploy Masternode. and we have 100k, so we're gonna do that. Create a Masternode name. We're gonna call it, of course, Sharks Holdings. Okay, and enter the server payment timeline. Okay, so it's gonna be 104 total to pay. We have 106, so let's do 250 days. 106, 255 days. 255 days. We're gonna do that. We're gonna set up a master node. Okay, and here we go. We have our oven master node with 100k of ESSX. Okay, and we're gonna press deploy master node. Right, so we deployed. Now it's gonna take around 30 minutes to finish. Right, and this is our master node. Okay guys, so this is how you set up your Masternode and you start earning rewards, or you can just stack the coins and you'll be able to start doing money. Thank you for watching guys for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below for more information. Thank you for watching.